Professional service firms typically bid for tenders based on gut feeling. But gut feeling can be a very expensive endeavor. In fact, from our experience, we believe that this endeavor costs around 3 to 4 billable working days of professional staff. Today, I'm going to show you something that can change that and reduce the time from 4 days to minutes. All you need are 2 inputs and 1 prompt, as I will show you now. So all we're going to do is now add 2 files from our approach, which is one is the tender document, and the other one is what we call a company intelligence profile. And they are added there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy a prompt, which we have developed specifically for this purpose. So I'm going to upload the prompt over here. I'm copying the prompt, which is a 6-page document. I'm putting it inside the material. And now I'm going to generate the report. So now it's reading the company intelligence profile. It's extracting the text. As you can see, the report is now being developed and is divided into 2 main sections. The first section is about the tender. So we've got the client and their situation, what the project is about, why this matters to the client, what are the evaluation criteria and the weighting in relation to the criteria, the key timelines to generate the RFP and how that is managed. As you can see here, in this case, there is a critical unknown, where the RFP requires employer's liability at 13 million, which in this case, the company holds only at 10 million and 5 million respectively. The second page, because generated for this tender, is an assessment of a go and no-go decision. And this is the go-no-go scorecard. As you can see, there's a bid confidence of 67%, and we've got a level of analysis over here. We've got conditional go, we've got an explanation of why that is conditional, the strategic fit, qualification compliance, the capacity and resource, the competitive position, and it is being described, whether it is commercially viable, relationship capital. The risk profile is very important as well, because you have to evaluate that. And also elements of which are noteworthy that need to be considered as part of the process. And as you can see, the final outcome is written at the top, that there is bid confidence, but there is a conditional go. So the conditional go is for the liability insurance to be submitted in appropriate basis and secure a confirmed higher education reference contract. Since in the current database, it does not exist. If these 2 criteria are not fulfilled, then the tender is a no-go decision. So as you can see, in a few minutes, we have prepared a high-level document for management to review the go or no-go decision specifically for this particular contract against the company profile. We shall be going across over several stages in the bid preparation process. This is the first dimension, which is qualifying the bid, but there are 6 other stages which we shall be illustrating in other videos. We will be holding a session